Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Olaf Taraman. This is my first tutorial video on YouTube, so try to follow us. I will be showing you how to make a money while snapping a picture and upload to a site. That is, you upload your picture into a site and you get paid. But you need to have a patience. So the first app I'll be showing you is a contributor by Getty Image. So I already have the app and I've registered before, but because I want to show you how you can try your own method to get it, so I will need to uninstall this app. So I've uninstalled this contributor. So now I will go to Play Store. So just try to go to Play Store. Play Store. Okay, this is the Play Store. So when you get to Play Store, just say country now contributor yeah, this is the it says contributor by Getty Image. So you click on it, so you install. So you need to have a patience for it to load finish, so just wait and watch. So now our app will have install finish, so we need to open it. So that is why I said you need to apply a patience on this kind of videos. On this kind of apps, you need to apply a patience. So you wait for it to load. It said allow. So you see that the thing said simply upload 3 to 6 of your best image to get started. So I'll click on start. So he said tell us about yourself. So you need to write an email. That is your email, the email that is working, that you know that is working, that they can send a notification to it. That is the kind of email you need to use. So I'll be using my own email now. And they said the country of residence. So I'm living in Nigeria. So this app some people used to say this app is not working, it's not working for some country, but I can assure you that this app is working for different countries. So just try to continue. They said have an invitation code. No. So next. So they said show us what you got. Choose 3 to 6 picture, illustration or video you think we will love it. So I'm not submitting illustration, I'm not submitting video. I have illustration to submit, I have videos to submit, but I will try to to submit picture. So let me go to where my picture is. So this is the picture I want to upload. So I will try to mark them. No, it's not one. I want to add. It's not one. I'm not adding one. I want to add more than one. So click on download. Try to, it says select. Wow. Just wait. Okay. Okay. Let's be doing it one by one. I want to select all before, but it's not working. So I need to start clicking them one by one. So that's 3. That is 4. You know they said 3 to 6 pictures. So I want to upload like a 6. That is 5. That is 6. So I've uploaded finish. So they said apply. So you click on apply. Submitting application. That is, I'm submitting my application to this to this app. So after some days, they will give me feedback on my email. That is why I said you must use a confirmed email, so that you see now they said contributor by getting image. Thanks. We are reviewing your application and we will get back to you in 5 to 7 days. So that is why I said you need a confirmed email, and you need what? And you also need a patient in this app, because you know you are not working. You know you are not working for anyone. You are not like you are not doing the programming stuff. You are not doing the surveying stuff. You can just get your money just by uploading your picture. But they will first review your picture. Maybe the picture makes sense. Maybe the picture have never belonged to anyone. Maybe anyone have not posted your picture before. So they need to review everything very well before they can what? Before they can send you an email confirmation. So just try to wait till the day they gave you. So that is just how we need to do the first tutorial on this contributor by getting image. That is the first thing, the first app I will be showing you. So the second one I will be showing you is how you can get your image. So you see that those image I upload, like I download it from somewhere. I never, because if you said that you should start snapping picture all around the world, you cannot get a best picture of the app. The app, they need a confirmed picture that you can use. So I will take you to one site. That is, there are a lot of sites I will take you to, just to show you how you can start to download some pictures. So after downloading the pictures, I'll show you the other apps, the second app where you can use So thanks a lot for watching our tutorial video. So I really appreciate it so much. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, try to share so that people can try to learn more and earn online, and try to like and leave a comment. So thank you once again for watching our